Good morning from Villajoyosa. Another day. Our vacation is closing. It's 3 days now. Yes, 3 days left. It was a short night after the parade, the long parade, 3-hour parade. That was amazing. Hello. So Davinia is already with the tram to Calpe because we cannot all fit in the car. We are going with the car and then we are going to park and we are going to visit the old town of Calpe. If you visit Calpe, it's nearly every time the coast, the shops, the eco path along the coast that we did already. On the coast you have the huge rock, the Calpe rock. You have different things you can see, salinas, but there is an old town of Calpe and there's some beautiful things to see and we're going to visit that today. Okay, we have arrived in Calpe. It was a little struggling with the parking. Was not sure if we could park there because there were all green striping on the floor. It was a green parking, so you have to pay from Monday to Friday, and the Saturday is free. I asked somebody. I always start with hablo non bien español. I learned a lot in these 2 weeks. Every vacation there will be a little bit more. If I have the time at home, I will try. But first we now go to the old town. Davinia, I guess, hasn't arrived yet, but we meet at the plaza, the fishing plaza, I think it's called Plaza del Pesquera or something like that. Very nice. Look, what the... Why?
Want to buy a hat?
No, I want to buy a hat. What is the meaning of this?
It's mine.
Yes?
Sisters?
Sisters?
Moms?
Moms. So you're carrying everybody's hat
Yeah.
all in once. It's really, it has a vibe.
Yeah, it has a vibe.
Yeah, it has a vibe. So it's not Plaza del Pesquera, it's Plaza del Mosquit that we are meeting. So I don't know if it's Plaza van de Mosquitoes. So let's go.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's totally free for you, but it makes a huge difference for my channel.
Hello.
One straight line?
Yes.
The old center of Calpe is so beautiful. All these little streets, street arts, little details in all these tiny streets. I think a lot of tourists are skipping the old town of Calpe because they go to the beach, they go to the rock, they go everywhere, but it's really empty here. If you are watching this vlog and you go to Calpe, please visit this really old town because Calpe is really big. Really high buildings on the coast, really touristic, but this is something you have to see. You have no feeling that you are in the busy Calpe. So this is something you have to see in the old town. These stairs are painted in the Spanish flag. So this is Instagram worthy. This is a mural of the festivities of the event of Moros y Cristianos. What we see in Villajoyosa, there's a festival here too. So nearly every coast town is celebrating this festivities for the celebration of this event so many years ago. So really big mural. Look at that. Very beautiful. A little paella for Davinia and Dries. Is it enough?
I think.
Oh my god, look how big it is. This is just for 2 persons. So I have French fries with cheese and bacon, something I never tried before, and chicken croquettes. So you have bacon burger, you have a cheese burger,
Yes.
and Orfi has lasagna. So I will try for the first time the French fries with cheese. This is actually really good. Wow, never tried that before. Now we're going to walk along the coast to the lake where the flamingos are, if there are any flamingos. How was the paella?
Very good.
Very good?
Yeah.
You ate everything.
Yeah.
It was completely empty.
Yes.
Big eater. In this park, if your dog wants to take a dump, you have to do the same thing. You have to show it to your dog how to do it. I don't know how to explain that sign otherwise.
Flower in the wild.
Parabéns ao pastor dinossauros. We are thirsty.
I'm thirsty.
I wanna drink
We're thirsty. Wait. So that was an easy walk around the lake. It's really beautiful. Easy walk, just a little hour around, and no worries, there are flamingos here. To get to Calpe from the apartment that we have is like 35 minutes drive, very easy drive, or with the tram, and that's 1 hour and 5 or 10 minutes. You have to get to Benidorm, from Biayosa to Benidorm, and then take another one towards Denia and get off to Calpe. And then you can visit first the old town that we did, and then here, and then a little bit along the coast. And the trams are riding until midnight, so you have plenty of time. So we are back from Calpe. Now we're going to the city center for day 3 of the festivities Moors y Christian. This is the entry of the Moors. I don't know how long this will take. Yesterday it was a 3-hour parade. This was long, very long. At the end it was for me finished. It was really like, okay, I had it. But I'm really curious now how they will look. So we're going back for that parade.